Hey, nice to see you. Good to you. Hello, how are you? You come all the way from SA. Good, Trevor.
You're still kicking?
Yeah,
Are you working?
Ah, okay, sorry, boss. Sorry, boss. Sorry.
How's the track, Wood?
Looking real good, real good. They made some changes from the last time that I rode you, but cool changes, different. And soil's perfect, weather's holding up all right for now. So if it stays like this, will be good.
See the danger boy.
The digs! I will. Couple seconds slower, but I'll launch everything. The digs! Is it gonna stay dry on Sunday also?
Let me look at the weather, Camden.
Because I don't want to.
Wait.
The track is so good now. They're not waiting. Are they waiting for me?
No, they're
Okay.
in Switzerland.
You're looking for the photo?
Yeah.
You have to go to the timekeeping truck. It's there. You know where it is?
For the shirt
For
photos.
the photo, yes.
Oh.
Up and down. Monday, take the mic.
Right.
So you grab danger boy.
Now the good one. Thank you.
Tuesday all.
I'm all grown up.
Brandon, put the water away.
Hello.
Alright, look, hey, I'm so drunk it's a bad idea to talk, cause I ain't making any sense. I'm just
What do I need to do?
not sleeping, all now I be with cheese like cold cuts, and I ain't dealing with a hoe, got no butt. Gotta do more than chill and just show up. Just out my mind, stay dealing with some girls who be out all the time, and the higher that I get on this now when I climb to the clouds, I'm a ride to the balcony, shine to the light of the sun. Tonight will be fun.
So start practice is wrapped up here on Friday. All three of us have done starts now, Tristan, Cameron and myself. So feeling good for tomorrow, for the weekend. I've done a couple good starts, tested some different things out. And I feel like we have a good strategy going into tomorrow. So hopefully we can get off to a good start tomorrow, pull some good starts, put in a nice quali race. We've got gate pick 19. We pulled from the ballot, so it's not too bad. It's not too bad, we can work with that. And then just looking forward to it, man. I love all the South Africans that are here. A lot of South Africans have come up to us today and shown support. So almost feels like a half home nations, let's say. So I'm really looking forward to it. And I think it's gonna be a good weekend.
Why did you do
Are you proud,
the
Tristan?
head so big?
Yeah. Whip the dig out.
Josh!
Autograph time, eh, Camden?
Fun.
Camden,
Yes.
but no, you don't get better than top 10. I have to sign your number after the weekend. Top 9.
What do you think?
Top 9, bro. I don't care the circumstances.
Okay,
Top, if you
top
don't
9.
get better than top 9, I'm signing your nipples. You got that on record, Arnu.
I got that on record.
I don't care if you have back problems or anything.
How you do something? Where do you want?
You know what Brad said?
Anyone? What?
Any chance of getting down your place?
To SA?
20 pounds.
No, I only have 2 weeks off. So it's a long trip for just 10 days. Huh? Yeah. Also expensive. Josh, I'm gonna spit on you. I will.
Look at the track, how was the conditions? Was it nice? Loamy? And they prepped it spot on.
They changed also a couple of things.
Well, they're rebuilding
So
it,
it's a new layout.
don't they? Yeah.
Good evening. Yeah. When I party in New York, take the late night subway. Going out Friday, then coming home Monday. From all directions, never find me on a one-way flavor. The rhyme just the icing on a cupcake, fuck face. My fans notice these other rappers is bogus. I'm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious and the boys stay kicking incredibly dope shit. Make my mama proud, cause my clothes fit. Travel around the globe, bitch, on my Lewis Clark shit. Don't matter where I live, cause I can tell you where my heart is. I just stay on my side, fuck where everybody at. Tell the planet peace, cause I'm gone, I ain't coming back. Had the whole regular life, I can tell you that I'm done with that. Try and build a mill off a couple stacks on my own business. Investing all I got into these fucking raps. Willie Parker money handed off, then it's running back. Hey yo, you fuck with that? You gotta fuck with that. You in love with that? Look. Mac Miller.
Not easy. But like you said, I got into a good rhythm there, so politically I'm feeling quite alright, you know. It's not that I was exerting any unnecessary energy, so now another 30 minutes with a small 30-minute break in between, I think. So it's definitely not easy, but I think it's, I like it, you know. I'm in good physical condition. It's the same for everyone, it's tough for everyone, so it's a bit of a mental game as well, but it's not easy.
But I suppose the cool thing is you now know what the conditions are like, because it's not like in 3 hours time. Let myself.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. I don't really need to go out on side lap, but I think I will just have a look. But like you say, I was just on the track last, so I know exactly how it's shaped up and how it might shape up during this moto. So that's definitely a plus for me. I can give Tristan also some insight, so that's good for him as well. I wish maybe on like stuff it. But if you can't, you go like before. You have no speed going up, and then don't go inside the like that. Just go outside. Yeah, back to the outside. I go inside. So good.
This inside the 8 now was shitty because the record.
Yeah, I'll go out and go. Yeah,
Maar ja, daar hebben we natuurlijk.
goes 4. Langenfelder for Germany 3.
Langenfelder 3 number 13.
Take your time on that down to cut and make like a straight line so that you're on the fat part of the tire, you know? Because then you get a much more speed going into the down straight. And then, yes, outside, but I take my time really to set myself up in the So my two motos are wrapped up here at Nations. Both motos horrible starts, so I was coming from the back, but first moto I was riding good. I struggled a lot with the vision already from the beginning. I had some issues with the goggles, so I had to make a pit stop, but that kind of ruined my momentum, let's say. But anyway, it was a good moto. I rode through the pack well. I finished 6th in the 250s and I think 18th overall, so not too bad. And then second moto again, I was feeling really good. Came from far back, but I was really making my way forward, passing some 450 guys and feeling real strong. I kind of found a flow. I was getting better each lap, found some good lines, and then I had one massive crash that kind of took me by surprise. You know, I was doing that the same thing every lap, and then I'm not too sure what happened that lap, but I was flying through the air at one moment, and then that was that. I was on the floor for a little bit, but luckily we're all good. Unfortunate to kind of let the team down. You know, I had a good moto going. It would have been a good moto score, so a bit bummed, but happy that I'm all okay, nothing too serious. Bike was completely bent, so I couldn't finish, but we got Tristan and Cameron's last moto up now, so crossing fingers for the boys. I'm sure they'll pull through. They've been doing well today, so looking forward to it. Happy that I'm in one piece and happy with my riding, just a bit bummed that I've kind of let the team down.